Adopt the attitude of an eagle, for it soars above the challenges, embraces the storms, and never loses sight of its destination. Develop an eagle attitude, fearless, focused, and always aiming for excellence. With such a mindset, you can conquer the skies of success. Embrace the eagle attitude, bold, confident, and resilient. The eagle's attitude teaches us to have unwavering belief in our abilities, to soar above negativity, and to see challenges as opportunities for growth. Cultivate an eagle's attitude of unwavering determination. Let it inspire you to rise above mediocrity and strive for greatness in all that you do. An eagle's attitude is one of fearlessness, grace, and unwavering focus. Embrace these qualities and watch as you transform your dreams into reality. The eagle's attitude is a reminder that challenges are merely stepping stones on the path to success. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them propel you higher. Adopt the eagle's attitude, steadfast in the face of storms, undeterred by winds of doubt, and always keeping your eyes on the horizon of your dreams.